So I want to talk about this topic. Like, is it possible for everyone that you can clear GATE exam in single attempt, and that is going to be your first attempt? So see, guys, actually, it's all about your strategy, and your strategy means uh, there is a kind of routine you have to follow. Okay, and that routine is nothing but what kind of study material you are going to follow, and at the same time any strategy is not universal. I mean to say that every strategy is not for every student, right? For example, if I am saying you to do this, then you will get this. Do this, then you will get this. Do this, then you will get this. It's like you may not get the result, right? So let's talk on average, whatever we are going to understand here. See, how to clear in single attempt. Single attempt means it is if it is going to be your first attempt. So see, guys, again it depends. Very very important point. What is the right month to start your preparation? So if you have started preparation in February or March month, Feb or March, right? Then your chances will increase. And if you have started your preparation around October or November month, then you have to fight with these students. Okay, so your chances of selection is still there, but chances will decrease. Now, point understand the point. Suppose you have missed the concept of preparation in Feb or March month. Suppose you have not started your preparation in Feb or March. Later on, in September, October, November, you decided to prepare for GATE exam. Okay, so these kind of students I'm especially talking now. So these kind of students can crack or not. So see, guys, if you're starting in October or November or September, like these kind of months, then according to my calculation, I feel that 3 months are enough. If you are that kind of student. What kind of student? Suppose someone is teaching you something. At the same time, I'm considering teacher is good teacher. If someone is teaching you something and you have the brain capacity that whatever is being taught, that you are able to understand. Okay, whatever is being taught by some teacher, that portion you are able to understand properly, then easily you can crack GATE in 3 months. Okay, now point is, if you want to prepare GATE exam in first attempt, then what are the ways, what are the requirements? So see, way is only one. Way is only one, because already you are very very late student. So you must be able to join some coaching center, because extremely I'm saying you see, as per my experience, if you're watching my video for the very first time, then you should know that I have already qualified GATE exam 5 times, and I'm teaching aerospace from last 6-7 years, and I have given so many toppers as well, right? So if you want to know, and I'm running my coaching center for GATE aerospace, and I used to make these kind of videos, right? So I'm having a lot of courses. You can contact me to purchase some courses, and I have a special offer going in 5k. Whatever I'm charging in 32k, same offer I'm giving in 5k. Some changes are there, and you can get this offer, and link will be in description. You can watch that video too. Okay, come to the point. uh, what are the requirements to crack GATE exam in single attempt? Okay, then the first requirement is study material. Study material. What is the study material? I mean, what are the topics, what are the points, what are the syllabus you are going to cover? Okay, so what is the source you are going to refer? The source. So see, if already you are very late and you are thinking that you want to crack GATE exam in first attempt, so uh, your source should be very properly organized. It's like, you join any coaching center, they will provide you proper material. Like if you join my coaching center, then I will provide, because already time is some 3 months or something, so I will provide you all the video lectures, all the study material, and live classes and test series, everything I will provide, so that in 3 months you can clear GATE exam. Okay, so same goes, the first requirement is study material. You should have the right study material. Otherwise, if you are not having right study material, then you will keep on doing by yourself, right? Study this book, 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 studying something and remembering something, and when question comes in front of you, you are not able to solve the question. So in that case, you cannot crack GATE exam. Okay, so suppose you are targeting that, okay, just by studying all the different books in 3 months, like in 3 or 4 months you are planning. No, it is not possible. Okay, so you need a proper guidance, you need a proper organized material, so your chances of cracking GATE exam in first attempt increases. Okay, then again I'll come to the point. I'm talking about the students who are preparing in the last month, September, October, November, right? So they can crack, definitely they can crack. What they need proper organized material to crack GATE exam in the last time preparation. They can easily do, but at the same time, students should not be dumb. You should be smart student. For example, see what is the difference between the preparation when you are starting in Feb month and when you are starting in September, October month. See guys, just one example. If I am teaching you that static pressure increases across normal shock wave, suppose this is normal shock wave, and when the flow crosses normal shock wave, static pressure increases. So for the September and October month student, they have to only know this fact. But Feb March admission students, I will explain them the depth, like why this happens. Because if I will start explaining the reason behind this concept, why pressure is increasing across normal shock wave, and why and how other properties are changing across normal shock wave, then it will consume time. So one particular topic will go for 4-5 hours, then almost one day over. So this is the main difference when you start your preparation in Feb month, I mean just after GATE exam, if you start your preparation, and or in the last time you are starting your preparation. So here I want to give one suggestion also. If you are a newcomer, if you are in second year or if you are in third year, then you must start your preparation just after GATE exam, and you can call me and you can join my institute. Okay, right. Now see, first thing is organized material. So if I am giving you organized material, like whatever I have taught in my live class, those video courses I am giving you, test series I am giving you, study material I am giving you, it means you have got the excellent material. Now second thing, do you have potential to cover all these material? That is a very personal level topic, because I don't know what kind of student you are. So it is very important what kind of student can crack GATE exam for sure in single attempt. First thing depends on the right material. Next thing depend on the right student. I know about myself that my material is good, but I don't know about you. You are what kind of student you are. So now question comes, what kind of student can crack? So I have explained right just before that if someone is teaching you something, then you should be able to understand that idea, right? If you think that, okay, if someone is explaining me something properly, then I am that kind of student that I will understand the fact and I will be able to solve some examples, right? So if you are that kind of, definitely you can crack GATE exam. Okay, now second thing, what you need else. See guys, when you are achieving all types of study material from my institute, then you need one more thing. You need self-study habit. Self-study habit means you know that, okay, I got propulsion videos, structure videos, flight mechanics videos, aerodynamics videos, math videos, like I have all the study material and I have all the test series. Then self habit means you need to develop a self practice habit means self discipline. You have to make that, okay, morning this to this time I will study this subject, afternoon this to this time I will study this subject, evening this to this time I will solve PDF, and night time this to this I will revise something. And believe in one thing, believe in your self routine. Okay, your self routine may not match with others self routine. Guys, every year we have toppers, right? But every topper is not following the same routine. You can talk about any entrance exam, not only GATE. Okay, now see, second thing is what kind of student you are. So actually this I should keep as the first point, but no problem, I hope you are going through. Now go for the third one. So see, first one is like you need a correct study material. Next thing, it depends, you have the capacity to read them or not in limited time. Okay, now come to the third point, very important third point. See guys, if I am giving you material, you are able to crack that material. But see, you have to clear GATE exam in first attempt. So there is something called attitude. What kind of attitude I'm talking? Attitude to engage yourself on a particular topic for long time. This attitude you have to leave. You don't have to do this kind of PhD on a particular topic. See, if you are starting your preparation in Feb month or March month, then you have enough time. So what I'm trying to say, here you have to show smart study. Smart study means, if I am teaching you that static pressure decreases across normal shock wave, just cover that point and go ahead and solve the example. And if you want to know the reason, then you make sure you have sufficient time. So two types of students I am taking together. If a student is in February month or March month, and if he is preparing for GATE exam, he or she is preparing for GATE exam, then definitely 99.99% chance that he will clear GATE exam. Okay, but if you are preparing in very late exam, then see the burden. First thing, you have to complete the syllabus. Syllabus completion is very, very important, because if you have completed almost 100%, then in this 100%, definitely if you are average kind of student, some mistakes you will do in GATE exam, right? So completion is very, very important. Next thing, after completion, you need revision. So you should have plan for revision also. So for revision only, I am running crash course program. Okay, so you can join crash course program also. See, whatever things I am running, for that I will give you in description. That video you can watch properly. Now here I want to especially talk, like, in first attempt can you clear GATE exam? So see, my first answer, straight answer is, in first attempt you can clear GATE exam. You can clear GATE exam. So now point, who cannot clear GATE exam in first attempt? If your syllabus is not complete, if you have not done proper revision, if you have so many doubts while preparing the syllabus. Now come to the point. Just take the same example. If you have pressure increases across, static pressure increases across normal shock wave. Okay, now if in GATE exam they are asking question which is based on this fact, static pressure increases across normal shock wave, then you can crack the question. You will also crack the question, and the person who is preparing from 2-3 years, that person will also take this question. But one thing, if they will ask question in GATE exam which is based on the reason, what is the cause that static pressure increases, then cause you may not be knowing, because you have prepared for very less time. Okay, but so my point is, it depends on the nature of the paper. So that I am considering as my fourth important issue. So first thing, you need correct material. Second thing, you should be a good student. Third thing, your attitude, like what to study, what to leave. If teacher is saying that leave this portion, you should leave this portion. And if you think that no, I have to be behind this problem, because sometimes it happens, like even I was this kind of student. It happens like no, I have to go behind this. Go, no problem. You will waste 2-3 days, and of course you will come with the right logic, and you will understand that point. But right now, because time is just 3-4 months, this attitude you have to quit. Then fourth time, nature of the question paper, right? And in all these things, if you are clearing 1, 2 and 3, then there is excellent chance that you are going to clear the fourth point also. So GATE is yours. This year GATE is yours. I am seriously saying, this year GATE is yours. You are definitely going to clear GATE exam, and whoever has taken video courses and test series and live classes and all the things from my institute, definitely they are going to clear. Because see, now you are following the right material, and whatever doubts you are having, you ask those doubts and just finish this very fast. So as per the topic, can we clear GATE exam in first attempt? Yes, we can clear GATE exam in first attempt. Any strategy for that? I have explained this strategy. Who cannot clear GATE exam in first attempt? I have explained. If you are not having proper study material, if you are not having proper guidance, if you are not having potential, and if question paper is not as per your preparation. So the final point I have to talk a lot. See now, if question paper is very tough question paper, it's not like it will be out of syllabus. Okay, it will be from syllabus only. So who can crack if the question paper is tough? The person who is preparing from long time means who has given enough 8-9 months or you can say 9-10 months in the preparation. Person who has given 9-10 months in the preparation, they can definitely clear tough question papers. Okay, now so I hope you understand. Now see you guys, my next video will be about the previous year question papers, like they are important or not and how important they are. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you. And one more thing, you can clear GATE exam in first attempt, right?